Konnichiwa minasan, Nihongo no gakusei desu. In this lesson, we will learn the expression supposed to be the case. That is hazu desu, hazu desu. 今日は日曜日だから銀行は閉まっているはずです。The banks should be or are supposed to be closed today. So before hazu desu, we have the present casual form. 今日は日曜日だから銀行は閉まっているはずです。レポートの締め切りは明日じゃないはずです。レポートの締め切りは明日じゃないはずです。The deadline of the paper, the report, should not be tomorrow, or it's not supposed to be tomorrow. So, when we use hazu desu, we believe that the statements to be true or likely to be true, though we lack evidence. And the circumstances surrounding these situations and our common sense point us naturally to that belief or conclusion. So even though we lack real concrete evidence, we most likely believe that these things or that these statements are true. So that is what hazu desu means. Now we can use hazu deshita when we suppose something to be the case, but it turned out not to be the case. For example, 先週電話をもらうはずでした。Last week, I should have received a call, or I was supposed to receive a call last week. So we use here deshita because 電話がありませんでした。I did not. So I supposed to get a call last week, but I did not. 先週電話をもらうはずでした。電話がありませんでした。So we use the short form plus hazu desu. It is supposed to be the case or should be the case. For the verb, an adjective and na-adjective and noun, we have different rules. For verb, we use the short form. For example, here, kuru hazu desu. Kuru hazu desu. Supposed to come. Kuru hazu desu. For adjective, we have omoshiroi hazu desu. Omoshiroi hazu desu. Should be interesting. Should be interesting. The movie should be interesting. For na-adjective. For na-adjective, we add na in between the adjective and hazu desu. So we have Genki na hazu desu. Should be healthy. Genki na hazu desu. For noun, we add the particle no between the noun and hazu desu. So here we have Nihonjin no hazu desu. Nihonjin no hazu desu. He should be Japanese based on his words. Okay, other examples we have. Anata nara wakaru hazu da. You should know this. Anata nara wakaru hazu da. Instead of using this, the present polite form, we use da. So it becomes hazu da. Hazu da. 彼は今学校にいるはずだ。He should be in school right now, or he's supposed to be in school right now. 彼は今学校にいるはずだ。Another set of examples we have. 今日は祝日だから銀行は休みのはずだ。今日は祝日だから銀行は休みのはずだ。So here, yasumi means holiday, day off, recess. So it's a noun. And since it is a noun, it must be followed by no here. As you can see, yasumi no, and then hazuda, or hazu desu, for polite form. それは明らかなはずだ。This should be obvious. Okay? それは明らかなはずだ。Alright, let's practice. So we're going to say he's supposed to be smart for Mr. Ishida. Ishida-san wa atama ga ii desu ka? So we're going to answer, I suppose he is smart. So this is the sentence below here. Yes, he graduated from the University of Tokyo. I suppose he is smart. ええ、東京大学を卒業したから頭がいいはずです。Okay, so here we remove desu ka altogether. So 頭がいい and then add はずです。ええ、東京大学を卒業したから頭がいいはずだ。or はずです。頭がいいはずです。Yes, he graduated from the University of Tokyo. I suppose he is smart. Okay, so these are the other examples. So we're going to say, I suppose, and so on. I suppose he is rich. Okay? I suppose he is vegetarian. I suppose he has good personality, etc. 石田さんはお金持ちですか？石田さんはお金持ちですか？ Is Mr. Ishida rich? So the answer is, he lives in a big house. I suppose he is rich. So, yes. ええ、ええ、yes. ええ。大きい家に、so, 大きい家に、big house in a big house. 住んでいるから、お金持ちのはずです。ええ、大きい家に住んでいるから、お金持ちのはずです。Because he lives in a big house, or he lives in a big house, I suppose he is rich. So here, お金持ち is a noun, so we add no. Okay? お金持ちのはずです。石田さんは肉を食べますか？ Does Mr. Ishida eat meat? 石田さんは肉を食べますか？ No, because he is vegetarian, I suppose he doesn't eat meat. いいえ、ベジタリアンだから肉を食べないはずです。いいえ、ベジタリアンだから肉を食べないはずです。No, because he is a vegetarian, I suppose he doesn't eat meat. 石田さんは女の人にモテますか？ Is Mr. Ishida popular with women? So we're going to say yes, because he has a good personality, I suppose he is popular with women. So that is, 性格がいいから、性格がいい good personality. 性格がいいから女の人にモテるはずです。Because he has a good personality, I suppose he is popular with women. 石田さんは有名人に会ったことがありますか？ Has Mr. Ishida met a celebrity? So celebrities, 有名人 literally means famous person. 石田さんは有名人に会ったことがありますか？ええ、テレビ局で働いているから有名人に会ったことがあるはずです。Yes, because he works at a TV station, I suppose he has met a celebrity. ええ、テレビ局で働いているから有名人に会ったことがあるはずです。Right, next. For Tani. So, has Miss Tani often skipped classes? 谷さんはよく授業をサボりますか？ Has Miss Tani often skipped classes? So, サボります comes from サボる to cut classes. No, because she is a diligent student, I suppose she doesn't skip class. いいえ、真面目な学生だから授業をサボらないはずです。いいえ、真面目な学生だから授業をサボらないはずです。 she is a diligent student, I suppose she doesn't skip classes. 谷さんは韓国語を話せますか？ Can Miss Tani speak Korean? 谷さんは韓国語を話せますか？ Yes, because she studied in Korea for 1 year, I suppose she can speak Korean. ええ、韓国に1年留学していたから、韓国語が話せるはずです。ええ、韓国に1年留学していたから、韓国語が話せるはずです。話せる is the potential casual form of 話せます。So, 話せるはずです。谷さんはテニスが上手ですか？谷さんはテニスが上手ですか？ Is Miss Tani good in tennis? Yes, because she's in a tennis club, I suppose she is good in tennis. ええ、テニスのサークルに入っているから、テニスが上手なはずです。So, 上手 is an adjective, so we add な before はずです。テニスのサークルに入っているから、テニスが上手なはずです。谷さんは洗濯や掃除をしますか？谷さんは洗濯や掃除をしますか？ Is Miss Tani doing the laundry and the cleaning, etc.? So, we can see the particle ya lesson in lesson 11 part 4. 洗濯や掃除をしますか？ Yes, because she lives alone, I suppose she does the laundry and the cleaning. 一人で住んでいるから、洗濯や掃除をするはずです。一人で住んでいるから、洗濯や掃除をするはずです。Alright, thank you for listening and watching. And if you like my videos and my channel, please consider subscribing and leaving a comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and I hope you have learned something.